Bluetoothing. Yeah, it goes that deep. All right, got lots to talk about here. Hercules is ready for prime time. I even got it hooked up to solar. Check this out. Before I talk about this, I'll show you the solar panel. Got about 3.6 amps going into the battery using the SAE 2-pin DC outlet, inlet, whatever. Follow the wire. It's got a Renogy 100-watt solar panel with a lithium charger on there, soaking up some morning sun. All right, let's go back in here and show you the beast. 640 watts total, portable. Here, let me take this off right here. Unplug this. See right here? I don't know, probably about 60 pounds maybe, even with a lithium battery in there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. This thing has got some power to it. All right, let's go on the inside here and I'll show you. Right there. Got RCA input. Main volume doesn't work when you're on Bluetooth, but the sub does work when you're on Bluetooth. Main power switch. This is a USB QC 3.0 speedy charger. And that also shows the battery voltage right there. 12 volt outlet is always hot, ready to go. This is like your laptop DC input for like less than 5 amps charging. And I got this one set up for about 20 to 30 amps. On the front, I've got Polk audio coaxials, 6.5 inch. Grills are steel grills that I painted C130 like gray. You got a 4-inch front firing bass reflex aero tube. On top, I've got Skar audio 6.5 inch mid-bass drivers. I got a little touch-up paint there. This is a 10-inch Skar audio dual voice coil 2 ohm plus 2 ohm subwoofer, which I have wired for 4 ohms. Let's go on the inside here. Oop, this thing's heavy. And the good thing is, with all the weight on the lid right here, you know, with the big magnets weight, this thing doesn't tip over, which I'm very, very happy about. I've got baffles on all 4 speakers to prevent blow-by with the woofer. Works perfectly. Use sound deadening matting. The wires go into the system here. I'm trying to keep this as shaky free as I can. Steady camera is always appreciated by viewers. The main amplifier is this Douk Audio head unit, new style, Bluetooth 5.0 with USB and Bluetooth. And I can see how I got the Bluetooth antenna right there? Signal goes right through the plastic polypropylene. Works perfectly, right? This thing has a subwoofer output, which I wired into the sub right here, and then it goes into the amplifier here. This is an NVX monoblock Class D style amplifier, 460 watts going into the sub here. Also on this amplifier here, this is a 36 volt for full power. It comes with a 32 volt AC to DC adapter, but I wanted a little bit extra power, so I use a step up booster, 36 volt. So it takes the 12 volts from the battery here through the switch. The switch controls both amplifiers. So watch this. See, it shuts off the amplifiers. Off. Okay. speakers are in parallel for a 2 ohm load, and this amplifier is stable on 2 ohms. It plays loud perfectly. 2 ohm stable. Very surprised with that. It's a bass reflex port with a little bit of padding right up here. It's called Jute, automotive Jute. Right in there. These 4 gauge going into the Blue Sea Systems DualBuss. Right here. I use these little thumb deals for the battery terminals for quick access, good and tight. Circuit breaker is a automotive style, non-polarized, of course, 100 amp. There's not much else to talk about. I got a little bit more work to do here with the RCA, where I got some shorter length RCA stereo cables to clean up some of this little spaghetti mess down here. But I use these Wago connectors for the speakers, and they work freaking perfectly. See that? Instead of using freaking wire nuts, looked gay to me. This looks a bit more professional. But the sound is just phenomenal, folks. Freaking nominal. It's the ultimate freaking cooler Bluetooth speaker. High power. So that Douk Audio amplifier has about, it's rated at 160 plus 160. And I don't know what Chinese engineer is smoking, but it's not. Probably effective 90 watts per channel RMS. So I'm getting about 45, 45, 45, 45, which is plenty of power to drive these 4 speakers here. And of course, the mono block is full power, 4 ohm load. That cool part is it's on solar. And all that does, at full tilt, it's going to use about, I don't know, probably about 10, 15 amps. And it'll play for like 4 hours with that battery, which is fine. But the solar panel with 100 watts, you're getting 4 or 5 amps going in. It'll prolong your use when you're out in the field or at the beach or tailgating or, you know, trying to show off, whatever. But there you have it. It's a Megellan Outdoors 75 quart icebox chest cooler with great sealing, rattle free, crystal clear audio. Just unbelievable. Unbelievable sound. You know, I've made a lot of these. This Phantom over here, this thing's got 300 watts per channel, still kicks ass, ammo can style, crystal clear too. So I just kind of went up in size and portability with Hercules over here. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope this inspires y'all. And I bet you don't see many of these on YouTube like this. A lot of guys make these and kind of thrown together and dorky looking and lead acid battery. Nah. I knew I could do better. Custom accessory panel plate I made there too. Notice a little Polk right there? They gave those to me in the speaker box. Pretty freaking cool. Thanks, Polk. Alright, there you have it. Hope you have a good one. You know, dream it, build it, do it. Life's too short. Have a good one.